Hi traders, just want to give you an update to the dollar yen. I'm on the monthly chart and its key levels. I talked about this pair earlier in the week, but price has been breaking down. Now we've come back down and tested this monthly top, 135.16. You need to squash your charts in to see the top. So we've come back down to test 135.16. We're trading at 135.35. So are we retesting and failing down here for a movement back up? So let's just drop down to the weekly chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the weekly chart, drawn a fib from this low up to high. 7% fib is at 135.01, so that's very close to the 135.16 monthly support level. So that's the area I'm watching pretty much. Are we going to hold there today? Maybe for a reversal back up. Let's drop down to the day chart, have a closer look. Alright traders, on the day chart, now we've had a sell-off when the CPI data came out. Had quite a small trading day in terms of the day before when the FOMC statement came out, but you can see on both of these days there's wicks at the bottom of the candles and we can't close below 135.16. So is that a telltale sign that we're getting support down here for a move back up? Don't forget the monthly trend, the weekly trend is up. Yes, this day trend, we do have a higher top to that top, but then we broke this little low in the middle. So the trend here is maybe a little bit mixed on the daily. We could argue is it up or down. But what I am seeing is that the last two trading days we are holding and rejecting down here at 135.16 and the 7% fib at 135.01. So can we get support down here today once more? And can we start to see price heading back up? If we can start to see price heading back up, maybe long term, we are moving back up the range. So let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart and have a closer look, see if we can get a tight entry today. Alright traders, on the 15-minute chart, I'm just drawing in an area here. We do have the 135.16 monthly support level, but just refining things on the 15-minute chart. That fib, 7% retracement levels at 135.01. I've got the figure here at 135.00 and the M2 pivot for the day at 134.93. So that's the area I'm watching. As well, if I wanted to add something else in, if I draw a fib across this range, there's also a 7% retracement, just a little bit deeper, but essentially I'm looking at this area here, 135.01 down to 134.93. Today can price action just dip down into that area, hold, and start to reverse back up. Alright, if it can, like I was discussing on the New Zealand dollar today, if I can see a tight entry, so can I draw in a tight trend line, get a tight entry down here to buy, to trade back up the range. If I can, I'm going to try and hold that trade for the long term, and the confirmation that we are going to get a reversal maybe down here today in this area would be then a movement back up and a break above yesterday's high. So if we can trade above 136 today, that is going to start to confirm that possibly we're getting a reversal down here at the 135 level. So today, can we get down to 135.01, the figure, or even down to 134.93, the M2 pivot point? Hold and fail. Can I get a tight entry to take a trade for a move back up the range? Hi traders, just wanted to give you a personal invitation to tonight's webinar. Tonight I will be reviewing the key trading levels across 12 currency pairs, answering your trading questions, and I'll review any currency pair or instrument that you like. You just have to ask me in the webinar. So if you have the time, register at the link below and I look forward to seeing you there.